Check out this new 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 2500HD boasts a 6.0-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the dark titanium, vinyl seat trim, mirrors, outside high visibility vertical camper style, black, emissions, federal requirements, GVWR, 9,300 pounds, 4218 kilograms, rear axle, 4.10 ratio and the trailering equipment, heavy duty. Call 866-409-3464 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.